Unveiling the mystery. To be up to no good. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very intriguing phrase, to be up to no good. This expression is widely used in English-speaking countries, and understanding it can add a fun and slightly mischievous layer to your conversational skills. So, let's get started and uncover what this phrase truly means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. To be up to no good is an idiomatic expression that suggests someone is engaged in activities that are dishonest, mischievous, or otherwise problematic. It doesn't necessarily mean that the person is doing something illegal, but it implies that their actions are not productive or positive. This phrase is often used in a light-hearted manner, especially when the so-called mischievous activities are harmless or playful. However, it can also carry a more serious tone depending on the context. To truly grasp the essence of to be up to no good, it helps to see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. When observing suspicious behavior. If you see a group of teenagers loitering around a closed store late at night, you might comment to your friend, "They look like they're up to no good." 2. In storytelling, a book might describe a character sneaking around a dark alley, clearly up to no good, setting the stage for an intriguing plot development. 3. Regarding pets, if your dog is quietly digging through the trash can, you could humorously say to your family, "Looks like someone's up to no good again." Using to be up to no good in your conversations can add a playful or cautionary note, depending on the situation. Here are a few tips. In playful scenarios, use it to tease friends or family members when they're plotting a harmless prank or surprise. To express concern, when you suspect someone might be involved in something negative, this phrase can subtly convey your worry without directly accusing them of wrongdoing. In storytelling, it's a great way to describe characters or situations in stories you're telling, adding an element of mystery or suspense. We hope this exploration of to be up to no good has been enlightening and entertaining. Understanding such idiomatic expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the cultural nuances of the English language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use to be up to no good in appropriate situations to make your conversations more lively and engaging. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.